There's one question that I wanted to talk to you, all three of you about. Somebody's starting a new business, let's say. Somebody's starting a brand new business, regardless of wherever that person comes from. एउटा चाहिँ मैले धेरै म्याक्सिमम जनासँग कन्भर्सेसन हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ यो चाहिँ कता भइरहेछ भने एभ्री टाइम आई हेभ अन्टरप्रेनर्स कमिङ होइन आई आस्क दिस होइन अनि आई डोन्ट नो वाट इज द राइट आन्सर होइन पार्टनरसिप गर्नु हुँदैन भन्छ कसैले कसैले पार्टनरसिप चाहिँ गर्नै पर्छ किनभने एक्लैले गरेर सक्दैन भन्ने फाउन्डर्सको पनि मेजोरिटी फाउन्डर्सको यो एकदम ठुलो डिबेट हुन्छ क्या मेरोमा होइन अफ द रेकर्ड कन्भर्सेसन गर्दाखेरि लेट्स गो एड एन्ड लेट मी थ्रो दिस आउट देयर पार्टनरसिप yes or no initial map I am not talking about obviously getting money from VCs initially partnership would you say yes to this or would you be like
yes.
You need partners
okay yes
definitely so what's an entrepreneur what's a startup you're trying to solve a problem you're trying to solve a problem you're starting out on a journey it's a long journey man it's a long journey and and it's very it drains you okay like just imagine you're trying to fight a battle or something like this you need people with different skills I think the CEO should have that broad vision like that strategy how to navigate but you need a tech person who can engineer that you need a marketing person and then you need capital you need patient capital you need partners in every way and then you need people with more experience who can say you're not or there could be compliance issues there could be legal issues there could be so many issues that someone just before you do something you think about it when so चाहिँ यस्तो गरे यस्तो भइराछ है भने यस्तो गर्नुपर्छ है भने त्यो भन्ने मान्छेले नि really help it really helps कामै नगरे पनि yeah you need partners.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.